And see, this is binary subtraction. So we have some certain rule for binary subtractions. We'll see that 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is very simple, right? 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, but here see, 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. This is, you guys have to see, this is something new, right? 0 minus 1 is equal to, obviously, we have to borrow one thing, right? One digit we have to borrow. So here one small calculation is there. How we will see in the next example classes. Here see, 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. This rule you guys have to keep it in mind. Now see, subtract the following numbers. The first exercise is 10 from 14. So this you have to take it as a first. From after that, whatever digit is coming, you have to take it as a first, and this is we have to take it as a second. So first, the 14 I wrote here. This is a decimal form. I am converted as a binary form. I am getting 0, 1, 1, 1. Next 10 is there. I am writing here, and I am converting to 0, 1, 0, 1. So decimal form we made it, decimal to binary form. Now we need to subtract the both digits. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to what they given here, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So total 1, 2, 4, 8 BCD code if you put, see 4 digit we have, so answer is 4. Very simple calculations we have done, right? Now we'll see for another questions. 9 from 29. So which is my first one? This is my first one, this is my second one. So first one I am going to write it here 29. Okay, 29 here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 BCD code if you put 16 plus 4 is equal to 20, 28 plus 1, 29 will come, or else you have to do LCM method to find. Okay, like this we have to do. Now I have a shortcut for BCD code, I am doing like this. Next 9, see here in 1 digit 1 and 8 digit 1, total 9 it will become. We'll see the subtraction now. Yes, now see, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to, what will come? 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, so 16 plus 4 is equal to 20, the answer is coming correctly. Now, in this case, what happened? We are not borrowed in any sequential, right? There is no example question in this. Now, subtract 18 from 75. 18 from 75. Whenever the subtract, if it is come, they will call it as subtrahendo. This is, they will call it as a minuend. So this is our first step, this is our second. So please write it here. 75, if we convert as a binary number, we'll get 100, 1011. Okay, so for 18 will come 10010. We are going to do small normal subtractions. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Till here everything is correct, right? Now see, 0 minus 1 is equal to, in the rule they clearly mention 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, so that you can write it here 0 minus 1 is equal to 1, but here next what we have to do we don't know, correct? So that how it is happening we have to identify. Now I have a 0 here, 0 we cannot minus with 1, so that we are going to borrow with the next digit. But unfortunately next digit also we have a 0, so that we are going to borrow one more time to this digit. So here we have a successfully one value, right? This one value 64 is there, ma'am. So 232 will called as a 64. So this one, if you come here, it will become a 2 1 like this, 1 and 1. So 32 plus 32 it will come. So from here I am going to borrow one more. So if 132 if come this side, it will become a 16, 116 and 116. So here also it will become as a 2. So here see 116 is there. So now I have a 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Written I have a 1, so that one I am putting here. Slowly see student, here there is 216 is there. As usual, what? 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So that this one it's gone. Now we have a remainder one, right? That one will come down. That is what the rule they are telling. 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. So successfully here we got this one came down. So we got 1. Now come to this position. Here only 1 is there. That one write it down. Here whatever is there we have given. So here nothing is there. It will come 0. So now we'll check 1, 2, 4, 8. 16, 32. So add 32, 16, 8 and 1. 10, 16, 17, 7, 1, 4, 5, 57 it's coming. So 75 minus 18 is equal to 57. So this is a very much important topic, students, where means 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. This one small concept you guys have to remember, because here everything going for the 2 digit. 1 means 2 1 is there here. 2 means there, here 8 is there. This is a concept we have to check one time whenever we are doing for the binary subtraction. Thank you.